Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorable, how to create a website for your online dating business on Dorable. Isn't quick. So first type Dorable on the search. So Dorable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create your new business. Now enter your business name. Type any name you want. So, for example, this, and enter, select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So now let's go to the first section, the header of the website. You can edit it from here if you want to change the site name. Also here if you want to turn this on and upload the file. If you want to add a label, if you want to add the link, if you want to manage your social link settings, and here if you want to add a channel, and so just select the type of the social link, and here you can add the link. So let's save this. If you want to add section on the website, just select any section you want. So like this. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is the banner of the website. If you want to change this, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also here the subtext, if you don't like it, just click regenerate and it will be changed. You can change the label or add a new label here if you want to add external link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section, the image of the website. If you don't like it, just click regenerate and it will be changed. If you want to manage the image position, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text of the website. If you don't like it, you can regenerate it from here. Also here you can manage or edit your type of the writing. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the list of the website. You can change this if you want to manage the display settings. Also here you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here you can manage your list items. You can add the list item here. If you want to generate image, if you want to generate the title, and here you can generate the content. uh, Here if you want to add the label, and here if you want to add the link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonials section. If you want to add testimonials, you can generate the code, you can generate this, and also here you can upload a file. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the gallery of the website. You can edit it from here. You can change this. You can generate new images. If you want to upload image from a browser, just for example, let's choose some image from Google. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Now just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to upload image from library or from here, for example, let's pick some another image from here. For example, this. So let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location of the website. You can change this if you want to change the business address. And here you can add additional details, you can add the title, the content. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the contact form section of the website. If you want to regenerate this, you can just click here. If you want to edit the type of the writing, if you want to manage files, also here if you want to turn this on and manage the custom input label settings, and here you can manage you can generate form success message. So let's save it. So this is the last section of the website, the footer of the website. If you want to change the business name, here if you want to turn this on and upload the file, if you want to add additional details, if you want to manage your social link settings, if you want to turn this on and add a label or add the link. So I'm gonna turn this off. So let's save this. Now if you want to regenerate the content of any section you want, just select the content like this. If you want to regenerate the style of any section like this, so select the style and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like the entire section, just choose it and it will be changed. If you want to duplicate the section from here, it will be duplicated. If you want to delete from here, if you want to move it up like this, if you want to move it down. So that's it. Let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Well, now as you see, you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it. That's how to edit and uh, create your website business easy and quick. Here if you want to find the device settings, if you want to find to ask anything here, and here if you want to find the website style settings, you can manage it from here. If you want to find the support settings, and here if you want to view which website. So that's it. So let's see what else can we do. Here if you want to make your website private, you can change it from here. If you want to change it, just click here and click here change. Now if you want to make it public, just here, and if you want to make it disabled from here, so let's save it like this. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.